G'day and welcome to the demonstration of the basic spider ornament from the Faith, Hope and Charity sets. These 3 sets are available from my Etsy store. Each of these red dots indicates where we are going to add new pairs. We are starting with this topmost pinhole, where we are going to add 2 pairs in the open or rainbow configuration with a hanger thread. Put up the pin. Hang 2 pairs open over the pin like this. This is called the open or rainbow configuration. Lift the left side of the hanger thread and lay it over the back of the work out of the way. The first thing we are going to do is lock the 2 pairs together because at the moment they are 2 separate pairs. With the 2 bobbins on the left, we put 2 twists on them, then we are going to cross and twist. That locks the 2 pairs together so they do not separate when we remove the pin. Directly underneath that top pin, we have 2 more red markers where we add the passive pairs. Put up the passive pin and hang 2 pairs in the open or rainbow configuration. Put up the second passive pin and hang 2 pairs in the open or rainbow configuration. Using temporary pins, pin the right pair to the pillow to prevent the movement as we work with the left pairs. The top left pair is to be cloth stitched through the 2 left passives, which has brought your left weaver to the centre of the work. As we are going to work on the right side next, pin down the left bobbins to the pillow and release the right bobbins. Put a temporary pin up to the right of the work, ready to bring in the new pair here. Hang a new pair on the temporary pin. Cross stitch with the right weaver pair, cross, twist and cross. Put 2 twists on the worker pair and put up the pin. We will remove that temporary pin shortly, but in the meantime, we're going to cross stitch the weaver pair through and across to the left side. Cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, and tension. Cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, and tension. Now we are going to add a new pair here. Put the temporary pin up, hang your new pair in, cross stitch, cross, twist and cross, add 2 outside pin twists and put up the pin and tension. Now at this stage we have added 2 pairs at the top, added 2 lots of passives, we have hung in our new one on the right and on the left. Next we're going to take the new pairs through the passives to become the inner passives. This is the new pair on the left. Cross stitch through the passives. Cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross. That makes them the left inner passives. Using the new pair on the right, remove the temporary pin and ease the thread down. Cross stitch through the passives, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, tension. That makes them the inner passives. Next we will bring the left weavers through the passives and join with the right weavers at this pinhole before continuing down the left side. Cross, twist, cross, push aside, bring in 2 more. Cross, twist, cross, push aside, bring in 2 more. Cross, twist, cross, tension it up. Cross, twist, cross through the right weavers, put up the pin, tension and close the pin with cross, twist, cross. Pin the right weavers out of the way. Now working on the left side, take out the temporary pin and ease down the thread. Cross stitch to the outside of the left edge, cross, twist, cross, put aside, bring in 2 more. Cross, twist, cross, push aside, bring in 2 more. Cross, twist, cross. Add the 2 edge pin twists so that when you remove the pin, the threads do not form 2 loops. put up the pin. Back to the centre, we are going to add a new pair. Cross, twist, cross, push aside, bring in 2 more. Cross, twist, cross, push aside, bring in 2 more. Cross, twist, cross, tension. Add the pin twist to the weaver and put up the pin. Bring our new pair under the workers, put them together and slide them up the worker thread until level with a pin and lay the new pair aside. Work and cross stitch to the edge and return before we add the next new pair. Bring a new pair under the workers, put them together and slide them up the worker thread until level with the pin, lay the new pair aside. Work and cross stitch to the edge, add the 2 edge pin twists and put up the pin, tension. We are now at this pinhole and about to add a new passive pair at this red dot. Add the new pin between the 3rd and 4th thread of the existing passives. Hang your new pair on the pin. Our next row is cross stitch with the following row being in half stitch. Tension, add the pin twist and put up the pin. Bring our new pair under the workers, put them together and slide them up the worker thread until level with the pin, lay aside the new pair. That has brought us to this pinhole where we start the half stitch section. We will add a pair here to become the whole stitch foot side pair while we do the half stitch edging. Cross, twist, push aside, bring in 2 more. Cross, twist, push aside, bring in 2 more. Cross, twist, push aside, bring in 2 more. Cross, twist, push aside. We are now going to add a new pair at this pinhole. Put up a temporary pin above the work. The new pin will become the whole stitch edge pair that will run down and strengthen the side of the half stitch section. Hang up the new pair on the temporary pin. Cross, twist, cross, twist. Put up the pin. Close the pin with cross, twist, cross, twist. This is going to be the only time we immediately remove the temporary pin and ease the thread down to the pin. Put the left pair to the side and half stitch into the next pin where we will add a new pair. Cross, twist, push aside, bring in 2 more. Cross, twist, push aside, bring in 2 more. Cross, twist, push aside, bring in 2 more. Cross, twist, add the pin twist and put up the pin. Add a new pair and lay the new pair aside. Half stitch to the edge. Hole stitch, pin, hole stitch the edge, cross, twist, add the pin twist, put up the pin, close the pin with cross, twist, cross, twist. Because it is half stitch, make sure that your work of bobbin is towards the centre of the work. Half stitch back to the next pinhole, ready to add the last new pair on the left side. Add the pin twist and put up the pin. Add your last pair on the left-hand side. Now we are going to work out to the outer edge and placing the bobbin on a holder while we work on the right-hand side. Bring down the new pairs and place them on a bobbin holder before laying out to the side. Now we're going to repeat this process on the right-hand side. Our right-hand weavers are at this point here. Cross stitch through the passives to the right edge. Add a new pair, cross stitch, add a new pair, cross stitch to the outer edge. Add a new inner passive pair, cross stitch 1 row before moving on to the half stitch with the hole stitch pin hole stitch edge. Cross, twist, cross, push aside, bring in 2 more. Cross, twist, cross, push aside, bring in 2 more. Cross, twist, cross, tension, add the 2 edge pin twists and put up the pin. Cross stitch back to the next pinhole where we will add a new pair. Add the pin twist and put up the pin. Bring our new pair under the workers, put them together and slide them up the worker thread until level with the pin. Lay the new pair aside over a temporary pin. Cross stitch out and back to the next red pinhole where we will add a new pair. Add the pin twist and put up the pin. Bring our new pair under the workers, put them together and slide them up the worker threads until level with the pin. Lay the new pair aside around the temporary pin, continuing mirroring the left side until they are the same length.